Good afternoon, this is Lady D once again. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial on a portable bobbin winder. I wanted to start with the bobbin cases. They come in different varieties and these are essential to me. I could use a bobbin and put it back in here if I need another bobbin similar to whatever color I have here. I can just pick that bobbin instead of rewinding another bobbin. There are two different types of bobbins. There's this metal one and then there's the plastic one. Whatever bobbin came with your machine, that's what bobbin you need to use. All right, here we go. Have my thread and my bobbin. Every time I start any project with the thread and I know I'm threading through something, you always make sure that your scissors are diagonal when you cut. It makes it easier to put it through instead of cutting like this. Straight across, cut diagonal. All right, so we're gonna get our spool, put our thread on, go through our thread tension. Ooh, I think I need to cut that a little bit more. Ooh. Go through our regular tension. Get our, that's the hole we need to do. And you always go from the inside and pull it out. We're going to put it on the stabilizer. And we're going to run it a little bit like normal if you were doing it on your machine. A little bit of thread around there. We're going to cut again. Ooh, once this is down, it will not stop this button. So if you need to stop it, you have to push it back up. So we're going to start threading our bobbin. Look at that. I'm going to stop. Normally, this will stop it once it gets full. It will stop automatically once this gets to the full mark for your bobbin. Hope this helps.